Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how much money YouTube pays me for one of my YouTube channels. Let's jump into it. Okay, so here we have data from one of my YouTube channels. As you can see, within the last 28 days I got 45,000 views, 655 hours worth of watch time, and gained 101 subscribers. And for 45,000 views, YouTube paid me $318 and YouTube paid me $318.27. And we had the spike of views on this day just due to a YouTube short, and of course this short didn't really pay out that much. Just going into it here, you can see that this video got 11,000 views, 47 subscribers, and YouTube paid me 94 cents. Going back to this data out here, let's go to a monthly breakdown in revenue. Okay, like I said, within the last 28 days, got $318, and just taking a look at like the daily, it got paid $13.22 this day, $9, $11, $11, $13, $10. So fluctuating between like 9 and 13. Got $12 here, $11 here, $10 here, $13 there, 13, 15. Nice day right there. That was including that one YouTube short that paid me out pretty much $1. Here we have $11, $11, 12, 11, and you get the general idea. So coming down here, you see on a month-to-month basis within the last 6 months. So far, March, this is ongoing. As I'm recording this, it is March 24th, and taking a look at this chart here, within the last 28 days, it's only showing me up to March 22nd. So only up until March 22nd. So far I've made $248. For the month of February, I made $364. In January, made $325. Month of December, made $296. Month of November, $307. October, made $299. Just gonna move this over here a little bit, and just so you guys can see a breakdown. So in the last 28 days, 30,000 views, and most of my money is coming from this one video here in terms of how I transfer money on Cash App. I got $123 just from that one video, and how to withdraw money on Underdog, how to withdraw money on FanDuel, and just tutorials making money like that. So within the last 28 days, $316 just from the YouTube videos. And going into shorts, as you can see, I just only had like 2 shorts published that actually generated some revenue. So for this channel, $1.48 in total out of 14.8 thousand views. So about 10 cents for every 1,000 is what I earned off of just these 2 videos. And live streams, I didn't have any. Oh wow. So one of my older live streams was still getting views, so I got 4 views off of this really old live stream, and I actually made 2 cents from it. So there you go. The more you have in your library, the more chances that you have to potentially earn. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a realistic sense of how much you can make with a channel that's generating like 40 something thousand views. Again, just mostly off of tutorials. I'm not super active on this channel, but even videos I produced like months before is still making me money. So you don't need like a bunch of videos that's getting views every time you publish, but just you have to have a couple of videos that are bringing you the views and making you the money. So if videos like this help you out, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.